Hello everyone, my name is Michael from michaelstutorials.com, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Script Inspector 2. It's an asset for Unity3D, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a review for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new script. Let's call it test script, and let's go ahead and come over here to the right. This is where I have it in my screen, the inspector. And in the inspector you'll see that you can come in here and you can actually read and type. So hello, this is a comment, and you can press Control Alt Save to save the script. And you can also come up here and press save. You can press Control Shift Z to go back, like so, and then Control Alt Save, and those are essentially the important shortcuts. You can, hold on a minute, let me see if there's a shortcut to open. There's not, but you can open an entire window and you can maximize it and minimize it, or you could just make it slightly bigger than the inspector view. I like it like this, so let's go ahead and create a test script. Public texture 2D GUI texture, like so, and then let's go ahead and change this update function to on GUI, and let's go ahead and do GUI.draw texture new rect 0,0, screen.width screen.height, and let's make this GUI texture, and let's Control Alt Save to save, or Control Alt S to save. I say Control Alt Save just because the S to me means save. And let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go ahead and go into hierarchy and drag our script onto this, and you'll see that the GUI texture is showing up. So the script did save, everything is working, and let's go ahead and test it out. There's no errors, and the texture is drawing. And now, I opened MonoDevelop. I'm just going to go ahead and reopen this, and let's go ahead and create an error so I can show you the custom console that comes with Script Inspector. Public error at error. Control Alt Save, and let's go ahead and close this. And now you'll see that in our console, which is, we have both console and SI console. Go ahead and use SI console if you're using Script Inspector. And I'm going to go ahead and double click the error, and you'll see that instead of opening MonoDevelop, it will bring you into Script Inspector so that it will show you the error there, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and remove that. Control Save, or I'll tell you what, let me add another public texture 2D test. And instead of saving it, let's just press play, and when you press play, it will actually save it for you. So you don't even have to necessarily save, you can just press play and it'll do it all for you. So you can instantly test, which is fantastic. You can also, instead of even opening a window, you can just edit it in here. So public texture 2D, let's render this. Let's go ahead and change this to let's render this. Control Alt Save, and now let's change the texture to yellow ping, and there you go. So that is basically all there is to it for Script Inspector, and the only downside to it right now is really that there is no auto completion, but that is under active development, and the developer is active in the forums. He's active all over, and the product is currently on sale until auto-completion is complete. So really, right now, it's still fantastic, but in my opinion, it's like an investment for something that in the future is going to be absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend this asset, especially for what it'll be in the future. Thanks for watching, and bye.